Once you're set up with the three packages from the previous lesson, you're ready to add some middleware. And the middleware is going to be express static and then underscore directory name plus public, which will link us to a folder called public, and that will be used as the default root directory as a static directory. So let's go ahead and create that. So create a directory called public, and then within public, you can go ahead and you can create an index file. So we're just going to call this index.html. So this is going to sit in the root of public. And then within here, let's type hello world from public folder. And just make sure that it is up and running and working. So nodemon, we still have nodemon running in the background. So whatever changes we make to our index.js, then it's automatically going to restart the server and take those changes. So let's refresh. And now we see that we're not using this route anymore, so we can actually get rid of it. And we're simply using that static folder that's sitting within the public folder, that static index.html file. So we're ready to move on to the next step, and that's going to be creating our front end for index.html. So let's go ahead and delete that. And I have actually, let's set up a blank HTML template. I have an extension within brackets that allows me to create those templates. So just so you're wondering why this is popping up out of nowhere. So this is an extension that I have within my brackets. And if you're interested in getting the same one, all it does is just give me this default HTML template. So it's called HTML5 template. And you can really easily just set up these HTML5 templates, refresh that, and have that show up. So we're ready to move on to the next step. And what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be closing off that menu because it's taking up a little bit more space than I needed to have to work with. So let's close that off. And we're ready to start building out our front end code. So that's coming up in the next lesson. We're going to format our HTML, and then we're going to build out our routes in the back end in index.js. So all of that is still to come.